your shoes leaning, cuz.
Man, cuz, I'm sorry.
The back of your shoe got a dent right here. Joe not even tight. What you go, man?
This is on everyday wear, so it's like.
How much Joe be tight?
What y'all gonna get?
Your shit is leaning to the side.
Pop. This is like a pop, nigga.
Your shit leaning to the side.
Oh, man.
He jacked his ass.